So this is Shauma's hair. It's a week old and it's just in 4 ponytails, plaits. And this is the beginning of the month, so I wash her hair, wash and do all that deep condition, all that kind of stuff at the beginning of the month. And then because her hair doesn't, like her scalp doesn't get really dirty, so I either do co-washes in between or I cleanse her hair when as need be. But it's been a few weeks since I cleansed her hair now. And she has this mask on because she's been sneezing and don't want nobody else in the house to catch anything, whatever's going on. Now it's time to wash. If I had my Ransom black soap shampoo that has a little nozzle on it, I would have applied it to her scalp on dry hair and proceeded to cleanse her hair on dry hair first. But since I don't have any more of that, which I need to get some more ASAP, I'm going to probably just get another shampoo and do the same thing, and then take her to the bowl to rinse her out and continue to wash her hair. And her hair, I don't have to detangle her hair before I take her to the sink bowl because her hair was in a protective style, so it's basically already detangled. Now, if it was in a wash and go, then I would have to detangle it some. So basically, I'm just massaging her scalp, massaging the shampoo into her scalp, and just giving her a little massage time. And see here, because I only applied the shampoo to her scalp originally, all I had to do was just wet it, and then the rest of the shampoo ran down the strands of her hair, so I'm able to clean it that way. I have a scalp massager that I use sometimes, but she don't really like that. Do you like the scalp massager, Shauma? You do?
Yes, ma'am.
I thought you told me you didn't like it last time I used it. Like it's been a month since she had shampoo, so that's why I'm making sure it's really, really clean, mainly her scalp. You can feel it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The tingling sensation, that clean feeling. Okay, so now I'm about to apply her hair treatment, the deep conditioning treatment, and I'm going to do a hot oil treatment. So I'm just going to apply this on her scalp. And I do the same thing for the little one's hair. I've already cleansed her hair. Now I'm doing her hot oil treatment. I'm using the Ransom avocado and banana deep treatment. And for the hot oil treatment, I was using their Nourishing Growth Oil.
I can do it right, Mom?
Yes. Okay, ready for some steam?
Yes.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our handheld steamer to get her hair steamed, because the one that I had on wheels, it broke and I just haven't replaced it yet. I've been researching, trying to find the one that I want to get, because I can't find the company that I got the original one from for some reason. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to hand steam her hair, and then I'm going to put a plastic cap on and let it sit. So this steam helps the hot oil treatment and the deep conditioner penetrate her hair strands and get into her hair follicles, because the heat from the steam, it raises the cuticles. Throughout my journey, my whole journey, for years and years and years, I use my steamer, my hooded steamer for hair treatments, and it is like the best thing. I really, really miss my steamer. And this one here is cool, but it's nothing like sitting down up under the steamer, not having to use your hands. This one is good for if you want to refresh your hair by putting some steam on it, adding steam to make it bigger without having to apply water or anything like that, or to shape your hair It's just without having to apply direct water or any kind of hair product to your hair.
I like your hair.
And so I just use this to detangle her hair while the deep conditioner is on there. I will let her sit with it for 15, 20, 30 minutes, depending on how long she tolerates it. Look at mommy. Cheese. Okay.
I found my food.
She only left it on like soon as I put her down. She took it off. So. Hi, Red.
That is fun.
Let me see. Shake it out. Okay. So today we went with a little wash and go. And we used the Honey Hydrate Khmer Rolls and Uncle Funky's daughter Curly Magic. So I just proceed to do her hair however I decide to do it, however she wants it done, and that is basically it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.